Hey, this is Mike. Just happened to look out on the lot and I just happened to see this 2007 Dodge Charger SRT8 with a 6.1 liter Hemi. Really nice car. It has the fog lights here in the front. It's got that cool looking sporty hood with like a hood scoop looking thing. Nice polished aluminum wheels. And it's got the red caliper, slotted disc brakes there. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a nice tint job on it. And man, this thing sounds good. When you get down on it, give a little bit of gas, it's amazing how this thing sounds. You want to look in the trunk? Let's look in the trunk. And that is the trunk. Sometimes I get these confused with the fuel cap because they look very similar on some cars. Got the square subwoofer by Kicker, custom made for this car. Here in the back, pretty good amount of space, and those seats do fold down in case you need some more cargo space. Got the wing there, spoiler I should say. Alright, let's look at the back seat. Pretty basic on the inside of the back door. A little bit of a pocket there. You got leather seats. You got some, it's like a leather trim seats here, and it's got some red stitching around here. This opens up and you've got an armrest with some cup holders. And we've got a DVD system back here. And not really sure about that. If that's, I don't know. Don't know much about that system there. Maybe you do. If you're in the comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know more about that video system. Like for one, let's see right here. Don't know much about it. I don't know if it's aftermarket or if it's factory. But anyway, maybe you know, you can tell me about it. Looks cool. Alright, here's the inside of the front door. Looks like a big old speaker there. And your normal window controls, door lock controls, side mirror controls. Give you an idea what it looks like on this side. Really like those wheels. It really stands out with the red calipers and the 5-star type wheels. All blacked out with black tint, black interior. I guess it's like a black and gray interior, but it looks pretty good. Now, this is pretty cool. It's got a little toggle switch here, and it's got electric cutouts. It's pretty loud when you open up the cutouts. But you can close them up just like that. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera pretty good, but there's your gauges. Pretty cool steering wheel. It's got little grips there. You got like a little menu system here. And there's your your radio. It has a 6-disc CD player, and it does play MP3s as well. Has satellite radio. Now we can, on the satellite radio, if the subscription, sorry, is expired, we can always start a new one for you, and you get like the first 3 months free. It's like a free trial. So just ask me about that if you're interested. So I'm just gonna check out the navigation here. Go back. There we go. And give you an idea of what the navigation screen looks like. It's a little dated by today's standards because it is a 2007. But this type of vehicle, you buy it because of the engine and the sound and the sportiness more than the electronics, I guess you can say. There's a little pocket there, pocket here. It's got like a little cell phone holder there. There's a shifter. Cup holders are right here. This lifts up. You got some storage in here and a power supply. Glove compartment, pretty good size. Got an auto dim rear view mirror. Here's the little buttons for your garage door. Place to put your sunglasses is right there. Got tap lights, which are already on because I have the door open, and you got a sunroof. I'm not going to open it right now because we just had a big rain and I don't want to get it wet in here. But it does, your controls for it right here. You can vent it or open it. There. It does have side airbags and airbags pretty much all the way around. So yeah, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know. I want to look under the hood. So let's go look underneath the hood. See where the hood's latch is somewhere. Right there. It's kind of hidden. There we go. 6.1 liter. Big block engine. Big block Camry. It's got a K&N air filter, it looks like. Got like a cold air system there. It comes off the hood. Alright, anyway, if you're interested in this vehicle, my name is Mike. My phone number and email address will be in the description. And you can also have comments in the comment section. See you next time.